In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run the Project Profitability Report in QuickBooks Online. This is a very quick and useful report to access, especially if you want to review how profitable a specific project has been based on the income, costs, and overall performance tracked inside QuickBooks Online. If you're managing jobs, clients, or project-based work, this report can help you get a clearer picture of how each project is doing without having to manually piece the numbers together. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online screen and click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores all of its standard financial and management reports. So if you ever need to check business performance, this is one of the main areas you'll use. Once you're in the Reports section, move to the search bar at the top of the page. This search feature is the fastest way to find a specific report, especially if you already know the name of the report you want. In the search bar, type in Project Profitability. As you type, QuickBooks will usually begin suggesting matching reports. When you see the Project Profitability Report appear in the search results, go ahead and select it. As soon as you click it, QuickBooks will begin opening and running the report for you automatically. Give it a moment to load. Depending on the amount of project data in your company file, it may take a few seconds for everything to appear. Once it finishes loading, the report will be displayed on your screen, and there you go. That's how you run the Project Profitability Report in QuickBooks Online. As a quick tip, after the report opens, you can usually review the information directly on screen and, if needed, adjust filters or dates later, depending on what time period you want to analyze. But the main process for getting to the report is exactly what we just covered. Go to Reports, search for Project Profitability, select the report, and let it run. This is one of the simplest ways to quickly check project performance and stay on top of profitability inside QuickBooks Online. Once you know where to find it, it only takes a few seconds to pull up whenever you need it.